Hello students, welcome to this video. In the last video, we have learned how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Today, in this video, we shall solve some different problems. Let's go for a problem. Here, divide 5x square by y by 6x by y. So let us write it 5x square by y divided by 6x by y. So we can write it in this way, 5x square by y into y by 6x. Just take the reciprocal of this one. So this will be, so this y and this y will be cancelled. Now 5x square by 6x. Now 5 by 6 we cannot divide it, so it will be like 5 by 6, and this x square by x is x to the power 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 5 by 6 x only. So let's go for this problem. This is 64 x square y square by z square divided by 8xy by z. So let's go for this problem. Divide 64 x square y square by z square by 8xy by z. So let us write it. 64 x square y square by z square divided by 8xy by z. So it is equal to 64 x square y square by z square into z by 8xy. So this is equals to 64 x square y square into z divided by 8xy z square. So in the numerator it is 64 x square y square z. So 64 x square y square z, and in the denominator it is 8xy z square. Okay, now 64 can be divided by 8. So 8 is 64, and this is x square, this is x. So we can write it 8 x to the power 2 minus 1, because it is 2 and it is 1. So similarly y to the power 2 minus 1, and as z to the power 1 and it is z to the power 2, and this power is obviously greater than this power, so we will write in the denominator z to the power 2 minus 1. So it is equals to 8xy by z, and this is the answer. Let's go for another problem. Divide 2a square by 9b square by 3a by b. So this will be solved in the same way, that is 2a square by 9b square divided by 3a by b. So this is equals to 2a square by 9b square into b by 3a. This is equals to 2a square into b by 9 into 3 into a into b square. Okay, so see, this is 2 by 27. We have nothing to do with that, the coefficient part. Now a square, and this is a, so it will be a to the power 2 minus 1, as 2 is bigger than this 1. It is b and it is b square, so divided by b to the power 2 minus 1. So it is 2 by 27 a by b, and this is the answer. So this is the last problem for this video. Simplify 40 p cube q cube r to the power 5 divided by 10 p cube q. So let's write it. 40 p cube q cube r to the power 5 divided by 10 p cube q. So this is 10, this is 40, obviously it is 4, let us write it 4, and p to the power, this is 3 and this is 3. So this p cube, this is p cube, so this will be cancelled, and this is q cube and this is q to the power 1. So there is nothing to do with p. So let us write q to the power 3 minus 1, and here is no r, therefore r to the power 5 will be remained. So this is 4 into q square into r to the power 5, and this is the answer. Hope you have understood. we shall finish this chapter with a revision video. Thank you for watching this video.